Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for April 16 to 30, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Ayan. Let's see, Libra, update ng inyong energies mid-April. April 16 to 30. For Libra. Okay, some of you are deciding, making a decision na medyo nagdadalawang isip kayo kung ano bang gagawin ninyo. Lalo na if it has something to do with your home life, your family life. So, let's say for example, gusto nyong lumipat ng bahay or bumili ng bahay. So, undecided pa kayo sa ngayon kung itutuloy nyo yon or kung anong pipiliin nyo. Magstay sa bahay na yan o lumipat or magrenta lang muna or bumili ng bahay. Okay? Yeah, so this is your overall energy, Two of Wands. But I think, eventually, you will choose what's best for you. Okay? Kailangan lang dito na pag-usapang maigi, lalo na kung may involvement din ng ibang tao na tipong hindi lang ikaw yung dapat mag-decide. Kailangan meron ding approval ng iba. Let's say your business partner or ng iyong romantic partner, ng family member, ganon. But I see you taking action in whatever you want to pursue. Okay? So if this is a new business, a new career, gumagawa ka na ng action. You already made that first step. So, andun ka na sa point na tinatanong mo sarili mo, ano na yung susunod, no? Sigurado na ba talaga to? Seryoso na ba talaga to? So, your challenge is the Four of Wands. So, maaring magkaroon ng challenging situation sa iyong family life, home life. Pwede magkaroon ng misunderstanding. Like what I mentioned kanina, pwede magkakaiba ang inyong pananaw sa buhay or pagdating sa decision making, no? Pwedeng ikaw may iba kang gustong gawin and then the person that you're dealing with or sa family mo, iba yung gusto nila. So, syempre, mahirap na mangyari yan, maisakatuparan kung may mga taong against or hindi sang-ayon sa mga gusto mong gawin. Especially if you want to make some changes sa bahay, like renovation or ibebenta yung bahay, lilipat ng bahay. But I also see, kung meron sa inyo na pwedeng ikaw to or yung anyone in the family na may mga plano na celebration, event, pagpapakasal, maaring magkaroon ng konting aberya. Okay? So, importante lang talaga rito, maayos na communication, coordination, para matuloy yung mga plans ninyo. So, your opportunity, you have the Empress here. So, the Empress is about abundance, prosperity, productivity. So this second half ng April, you're going to be very busy, but at the same time, yung pagiging busy mo, productive talaga siya, no? Pwede kasi tayong busy pero hindi tayo productive. So some of you, meron kayong aasikasuhin related to your job, your career, your business. So marami ring mga, let's say, if you have a business or meron kang mga binibenta, product, services, mas marami yung iyong magiging clients, customers, ayan, na mag-purchase ng mga binibenta mo. Mas maraming sales coming in for you. And also, you will give some time para sa sarili mo, focus on yourself, practicing self-love, self-care, taking care of yourself, Maari ring mas i-enhance mo ang iyong physical appearance, may mga gagawin ka para ma-improve ang iyong physical appearance. Kung dati hindi ka mahilig magkilay, magkikilay ka na ngayon. Maglalagay ka ng mga false eyelashes, doing your makeup, doing your hair. So, you want to be more presentable. And this will also bring in positive energy sa'yo because you will feel more confident and it will attract a lot of positivity. So, pagdating naman sa iyong blessing, you have the King of Swords. So, this is about enlightenment in your situation. So, kung may mga bagay na kailangan ka talagang pagdesisyonan, kung sa ngayon medyo nahihirapan ka na mag-decide, take your time. Kumbaga, aralin mo muna. Kasi, before April ends, makakapag-decide ka rin naman eh. Oo, kasi you will have the gift or the blessing of wisdom, no? Kaalaman, karunungan para makapag-desisyon ng pinaka-best para sa'yo, pinaka-best para sa situation. Okay? So, this is clarity, wisdom. When it comes to your money, career, finances, you have the Ace of Wands and the Four of Swords. So, parang conflicting energies for some of you. Meron kayong mga gustong gawin, simulan, na kapag, sometimes kasi you become perfectionist, no? Or idealistic na, dapat ganito, everything has to fall into places na walang halong, konting problema. So, pag nagkakaproblema, hindi mo tinutuloy or nadidelay, 'di ba? So, ito yung time na kailangan mong maging sigurado sa bawat steps na iti-take mo. So, some of you maaring merong i-consider na work abroad or related sa pagta-travel. Some of you are also going to heal from your past pagdating sa naging problema mo sa pera mo. Kung dati meron kang financial struggle, like may mga utang or hindi balance yung pasok ng pera sa labas ng pera, mas maraming lumalabas kaysa pumapasok. So, this second half ng April, I think you will be able to figure out what needs to be done. Okay? Ano yung dapat mong gawin para mabalanse mo yung income mo. Syempre, I think mas magiging masipag ka ngayon. Some of you going to be very busy. May mga multiple streams of income, multitasking, no? Oo, so may mga gagawin ka na dati pinagpapabukas mo, no? Or pinagpapaliban mong gawin because you feel na you're not yet ready. Pero sa ngayon, no, you just want to do the things na alam mong makakatulong na makakapagpaunlad ng iyong finances. So, the more the merrier, kumbaga. Diba? You have an idea. You have an idea about creating money by adding a new source of income. So, maaring merong bagong pagkakakitaan for you. Oo, kasi nakakaramdam ka ng discontentment sa situation mo. Parang hindi ka masaya, hindi ka kontento sa nangyayari, no? Although may mga pagkakataon na natutugunan mo yung mga pangangailangan mo, pero may mga pagkakataon pa rin na kinukulang. So, ngayon, nag-iisip ka pa ng ibang mga paraan para mag-generate pa ng mas maraming income. Sa love life naman, you have the Justice card and the Six of Cups. Okay, maaring merong reconciliation dito para sa iba, no? Just be careful getting back with your ex ngayong Mercury retrograde kasi pwedeng mapanlin lang yung energy na yan na magpapadala ka sa karupukan mo. Tapos, after ng retrograde, you will realize, oh my God, hindi ko na pala siya mahal or hindi na pala ito makakabuti para sa amin moving forward, no? So, be careful with taking back your exes. Oo. And some of you naman, merong mag-move on from your past, no? Maaring ikaw, you are moving on kasi meron ka ng clarity about what happened in your past. You have also learned your lesson from the past. So, ngayon, ready ka na to move on, to move forward. Let's see, ano pa. O, diba? Ready to move on ka na because you are letting go of the things that no longer serves you. Okay? Lalo na kung makakita ka pa ng red flags dito sa person na to pag bumalik. So, doon mo ma-realize na, okay, that's it. Ayoko na. Ganon. Stop na. Psychic protection. Yes. So, you're also going to take care or protect your energies from the negative energies around you. And magkakaroon ka ng inspiration about what you want to pursue, kung ano yung gusto mong ipagpatuloy, gawin, subukan. Can be your career or even sa mga ipupursu mo na relationships or connections moving forward. Okay? So, that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. Bye!